In the heart of the 13th century, a time of turmoil and heresy, a divine intervention was needed. Imagine France, besieged by confusion, when a humble preacher, Dominic de Guzman, labored tirelessly to bring souls back to Christ. One day, in a moment of profound prayer, the Blessed Virgin Mary appeared to Saint Dominic. She was radiant, holding a rosary in her hand. "Dominic," she revealed, "this is the weapon with which you will conquer the enemies of God and their heresies. Preach my Psalter, and souls will be saved." She taught him how to pray this new devotion, a beautiful cycle of prayers, meditating on the life of Jesus through the mysteries. Saint Dominic, filled with zeal, immediately began to preach the rosary, carrying this powerful spiritual weapon from town to town. And so, the Holy Rosary, a gift from heaven, began its journey through history. A simple yet profound prayer given to Saint Dominic continues to guide and protect us today.